Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall monitor free and I'm going to show you how to enable the bass boost. So at first you need to have the application. This application is called MARSHALL BULTIV. Here in this application, if you scroll down to the Equalizer and if you tap it, you'll see this view. This M1 and M2. If you tap this M2, you can tap this text label to prolong the list. And now if you tap Bass Boost, here it is saved for M2. Now if you tap the M2 button, you'll switch the Equalizer preset. As you can see, let me explain. Here M button, Equalizer. As you can see, we've got Equalizer, Marshall setting 1, and Bass Boost as the setting 2. That's how it works. Goodbye.